Colorado Congressman Gabe Evans is taking heat from his own party for an immigration proposal some Republicans call amnesty.
So for decades, lawmakers have tried unsuccessfully to fix the immigration system, and now Congressman Evans has introduced a new bill he says provides a practical solution.
Denver 7's Brandon Richard is listening to the residents in Evans' district tonight and is taking their concerns directly to the congressman.
Well, we came here to Brighton, which is part of Congressman Gabe Evans' 8th congressional district, to ask people about the issues that were on their minds and what they would like to see the congressman address.
It's maybe small because it is a small town, but we do have immigrants here that need to be protected.
Maria Lopez says the last few months under the Trump administration have caused a lot of anxiety for undocumented immigrants she knows.
It's definitely been scary. I didn't expect Brighton to really see much like ICE related. I heard recently there was an ICE raid in my neighborhood, so I do feel a lot for our community and our community here in Brighton.
Colorado's 8th congressional district is 40% Hispanic, and we have lots of good, hardworking individuals in this district.
Colorado Congressman Gabe Evans says he's spoken to many people in his district about the immigration system.
We've heard about how the immigration system in the United States is broken.
This week, he introduced a bipartisan bill he says will deliver a practical solution. Known as the Dignity Act, it would provide a pathway for undocumented immigrants to earn legal status. They must have arrived before December 31st, 2020, must pay $7,000 in restitution, stay out of trouble, and can't receive federal benefits.
The current bill is a pathway to legal status, so permanent resident, work visa, something like that. It is not a pathway to citizenship.
Evans is already receiving a lot of criticism from some on the right who call his proposal amnesty.
You say that this bill is not amnesty. Well, how is it not amnesty?
Yeah, so I think, I don't know that there's a legal definition of amnesty anywhere, but I think that just the general public consensus around amnesty is that's forgiving everything and getting an immediate pathway to citizenship. And like we've talked about, that's not what this bill is.
Previous efforts to fix the country's broken immigration system have failed over the past few decades, causing the problems to get worse. Many people, including some in Evans' district, hope this time around the outcome will be different. In Brighton, Brandon Richard, Denver 7.